In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and purchase products from AliExpress, even if you don't have a credit card at hand. We'll break down the entire process step by step, making it easy and straightforward for you to follow along. So grab a comfortable seat and let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to AliExpress. This is an online retail service based in China and part of the Alibaba Group. AliExpress is known for offering a wide variety of products at extremely competitive prices. So if you've never browsed through this platform before, you're in for quite the treat. Take your time to look through the endless categories and thousands of products available. Whether you're shopping for electronics, clothing, or home goods, there's likely something for everyone. Spend some time browsing the categories that interest you the most. After you've found something that catches your eye, it's time to go into the buying phase. Perhaps the most exciting part of online shopping. Go ahead and select the product, but before clicking that Buy Now button, make sure to check the product details, reviews, and seller ratings. These are critical to ensure that you're getting exactly what you expect, especially when the product will need to travel quite a distance to reach you. Once you're satisfied with your choice, add the item to your cart and proceed to the checkout page. Now here's where our unique little trick comes into play. On the AliExpress checkout page, you'll see a section devoted to payment methods. Thankfully, you aren't restricted to just using a credit card. AliExpress offers a variety of payment channels, which is a great convenience for shoppers worldwide. Some of the options available include Alipay, Google Pay, and others. Selecting Google Pay is particularly handy for those who prefer digital payment methods or simply don't have their credit cards on hand. All you need to do is follow the on-screen instructions to link and verify your Google Pay account. Once your payment method is set up and ready to go, complete your purchase by confirming the transaction. Double-check that your shipping address is up to date and accurate. Incorrect details could lead to delays or not receiving your package at all, and we definitely want your shopping experience to go off without a hitch. That's pretty much it. With this guide, you've now got all the insights you need to make purchases from AliExpress without the need for a credit card. Remember, online shopping should be a fun and enjoyable experience. So make sure to take your time when selecting products and don't hesitate to reach out to customer service if you have any questions. Thanks for sticking with us through this AliExpress shopping adventure and happy shopping.